Hi everyone, good morning. In this video, I just wanted to show you some of the differences between my boys and me when it comes to putting food away, like leftovers, in the fridge. Okay, because I've been married almost 20 years and I have a 13-year-old son. And I realized that there's really a big difference in how we put things away in the fridge. It's just interesting. So we had corn cob last night. You see this? They will just put the bowl in the fridge like that. They will just put the sandwich in here like that, but I do put the food in containers. But no, my boys will just put the dish in the fridge like that. Am I the only one? Am I alone in this? Or this is a common thing? Is it only certain people that do this? Or is it majority of people do this? Or is majority of people like me, where we put that in a container instead of putting the dish in the fridge? Another thing, when they cook, they use their bare hands, for instance, to season hamburger meat, right? But they don't use gloves. They would season the hamburger meat and they would hold the seasoning with their bare hand with the blood of the meat in there and then put it back in the cupboard. Am I the only one that's kind of freaked out about that? So now I know my cupboard is not to the level of clean that I want. So, but anyway, I love them to death. I love them so much, but it's just, I'm just seeing these differences and I got curious which one are you? Are you more like me or are you more like them? Let me know.